Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to create and manage a WhatsApp group. Hit the subscribe button, let's get started. So open your WhatsApp, click on this button that you can see, this one that is highlighted. Now when you click on it, just click on new group. So when you click on new group, it's going to bring out your contacts so that you can select the people. So I'm going to select my sister and my husband. And once you are done selecting, you just click on this arrow and add them to group. So you have to write your group name, is optional, and do some settings. Meanwhile, you can actually click on this check option to create your group, and you do the settings before later. But then I'll just set up the group and just save it so that I won't have to start doing all those. So if you want your disappearing messages to be on or off, that means if you send message to disappear from the chat 24 hours or what. So but I want it to be off. I don't want any message to disappear. Then go to group permission. What do you want members to do? Do you want them to edit your settings? I don't want, so I'm going to turn it off so that not when scammers see the group link, they will not join and start changing things on the group. Do you want them to send messages? Yes. Do you want them to add other members? I don't think I want them to add other members. I want to approve anyone that wants to join the group, so I'm going to click on this admins can approve new members. So when I turn it on, I can approve new members. Before they join my group, they must be approved by me, and I think it's used to expire also. If I don't approve, they will not join, so I will turn it on. Once I'm done, I'll click on this arrow out button. Then if I'm done with all, I'll just click on this button and my group will be created. So you can see that the group is created. So I'm going to send a message to the group welcoming them, then pin the message to the chat so that anybody that comes to the group will see it. And it's very easy to do that. Just once you select it, just click on the three dots over here and you will see pin message and all. You also have to choose the number of days you want your message to be pinned. So what I'm going to do, I will select this message, click on the three dots here, click on pin, and I'll pin the message to the group. So that's just it. Choose the number of days you want it to stay, 30 days or what. Click on pin and it will pin to your group, like your welcome message to every member. So there are a lot of things I'm going to teach you. Tap on the place where the group name is. There are a lot of things you can see here. You can add members, you can also do your settings, you can add group description, like what is this group all about, so that anybody that you add can easily go to the group description and read what this group is all about. For me, this is just a tutorial video, a tutorial group. Sorry, after this group I'll just delete it. I already told my sister before adding her to the group, so you should just, if you have people that you want to add to your tutorial group, you can tell them that it's a tutorial group and nothing more. So there are other settings you can still turn and advanced chat privacy. Now this particular one, if you don't want members to save your pictures from this group or export chat from this group, you can turn it on. So when you turn it on, people in your group will not be able to save media from the group, like pictures, videos, to their this thing. They can't use AI features like mentioning Meta AI to summarize or read their message, because your chat is private. You want the chat of the group to be private. So once you're done, click on this arrow up here or click on the back button. So you can add your group to a community. This is the group permissions that we edited when we were creating the group. So you can also change a few things here if you want. If you don't want, you just go out using this arrow button up here. So if you click on group admin, I can choose one of the group members and click on this mark good button, and make the person an admin of the group. Now if I click on another person, I can also remove the person from the group. If you go to add members, which you can also get when you touch the group name, you can add a new contact or invite through link. So when I click on invite via link or QR code, now this is the group link. It has been created. You can send the link through WhatsApp, share to your status to invite people publicly, copy the link, share link via email, QR code or whatever. Now There is also reset link. Now, to reset this link, it means that if we reset it, anybody that has the previous group link will not be able to join because you have changed it. The person have to get the new link to join. This is very good. It's good to always reset your group link so that scammers will not, because sometimes scammers always use group links to join many public groups. So once you click on reset, it will show reset link. You click on it and it will be reset. So that is that for group link. Now, if you click on this place, the place where the group name is, you can see where you make call, video call, audio call, add people, search for messages in the group. This other place that has this contact icon is where you can change the group icon. And when you touch it to say camera or gallery, you can choose from your gallery and change the group icon. When you click on the three dots here, you can see the group information, group media search, disappearing messages, chat team, add members, a lot of things that you can see, add shortcuts and all. If you click on this video icon here, is where it's like a shortcut for your calls, to send call link, to schedule call, to make call, a lot of things. So if this video is interesting to you so far, why not like it, give it a thumbs up and all of that. So to remove a member from the group, just click on the group name as we've always been doing. Scroll down, click on the member, just tap the person and click on remove. Click on OK and the person will be removed. Why this place is showing black is because WhatsApp used to take people's privacy seriously. So if you want to view past members of your group, you still go to that place, you see past members. Thank you so much for watching this video to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe.